Lone Wolf Customs. How to install a tow hook on an EG Civic. First, remove the bumper, which is usually a screw over there, 3 screws here, maybe some other stuff, but remove the bumper. Luckily, I've already done some of this, so I can save on time. Remove bumper. Next, remove these little plastic things. These things. Remove the bolt that would here, the bolt that's here. Remove the bolt here, and the bolt here. Remove the front bumper. Flip over the front bumper. Take tow hook. Line up with this existing bolt hole where you want it, in or out. Mark the other hole. Drill the hole. Install bracket, tighten bolts. Reinstall bumper. Put bolts back on. Put the stupid little the plastic things on. Put the bumper through hole. This is not easy when you're doing it by your damn self with one hand. So ideally, do it with multiple people, or don't be cameraing. There it is. Tow hook, front car. Put all your bolts and screws back in. There it is. I don't have editing ability and really don't have no desire to want to do editing. So, this is the best how-to I could possibly give you. Update on the car. It hasn't really done shit. The whole windshield incident freaking knocked me back. But, we're working on it. Alright, subscribe, like, blah, blah, blah. Share it to everybody. We'll see yous.